Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to change lock screen message on Mac. So if you have already showing a message on your Mac's lock screen, you can update it whenever you want. For example, you might want to change your contact information, replace an old message with new one, or simply edit the text. There is no need to turn off the feature and then turn it back on and then write a custom message again. You can simply edit the existing message directly from your lock screen settings. Here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Lock Screen. After that, you can see a section called Show Message When Locked. Make sure to enable the toggle right to it, and then to change the message, click on the Set button right to it. After that, you can edit the message from here. And once you are satisfied with the new edit, click on OK. And now next time when your Mac is locked, the updated message will appear instead of the old one. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.